If you're seeing a Figma Education error or your verification keeps failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step so you can get back to designing as quickly as possible. This is especially useful if your school email isn't matching, your documents were rejected, or your account seems stuck after approval. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and design tips. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to check is your email address. Figma Education verification is often tied to your official school-issued email, so before you submit anything, sign in with the email address provided by your school or update your Figma account to use that official academic email. If you use a personal email instead, verification can fail or get delayed, so this step is really important. Next, if your verification was declined or failed, you'll want to resubmit your documents. Make sure you prepare clear digital copies of the documents that prove your student status. The best options are a school ID, a current tuition receipt, or an official enrollment transcript. When you upload them, make sure the image is readable, uncropped, and not blurry, because unclear files are one of the most common reasons applications get rejected. Now, if you're seeing a message like verification limit exceeded, or you get stuck in a verification loop, that usually means the third-party verification system needs to be reset. In this case, contact the SheerID Support Center and explain that your attempt status needs to be cleared. This can help remove the lock and give you another chance to complete the education verification process properly. And here's another important step. If Figma approved your education request, but your account is still sitting on the free plan, then the approval may not have fully synced. In that situation, email education@figma.com directly. Include your school details, the email address you used, and proof of enrollment so the support team can review your account and help apply the education access correctly. While you're waiting, double-check that all of your account information matches exactly across every step. Even small mismatches in name, school, or email can cause delays. It also helps to avoid submitting the same request repeatedly in a short time, because that can sometimes trigger more verification issues instead of fixing them. So to recap, the fastest way to fix a Figma Education error is to use your official school email, resubmit clear proof of enrollment if needed, clear any SheerID verification lock if you're stuck, and contact Figma Support if your account is still not updated after approval. Follow those steps carefully, and you should be much closer to getting access. If this video saved you time, please tap the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, quick fixes, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.